Hey everyone, it's Miss Cassie from the Amy Sanders Library. Welcome to Steam Power. Today we are going to create your very own Zentangle notebook. The supplies that we will need today will be watercolors, a paintbrush, scissors, colors, tape, napkins, cardstock, Zentangle designs, and a stapler. So right now, we'll just take a minute to go gather your supplies, and then we will make a Zentangle notebook. Okay, once you have all of your materials collected, the first thing you will want to do is cut out your Zentangle patterns. And as you can see, I have this flower that looks like a rose to me that I will cut out. And it does not have to be perfect. There are many different Zentangle patterns, but today I'm going to do this one, and then I have another one that I'm going to do this design right here. And these patterns are for kids, and online you can find patterns that are a little more advanced for upper elementary or even teens or adults. Okay, once you have your Zentangle pieces cut out, you will grab your tape and make a tape ball. And then place it on your piece of paper that we will make into a notebook at the end of this video. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. And then you will grab your colors. Pick out the colors that you desire to color with. And I will start coloring. Okay, as you finish up coloring, you will want to collect your other piece of paper or cardstock and put it to the side. Make sure you have that. And then what we are going to do is pick up our paintbrush and get it wet, and we are going to start using watercolors to decorate around the Zentangles. And here is my cardstock to the side. And then I'm just gonna make designs. Nothing in particular. It can be anything you would like for it to be. I will tell you that I did not grow up using watercolors, so I'm not as familiar with using them, but they seem to work just fine on here. Okay, this is all I'm going to do on around my Zentangle, but you can continue and fill up the holes, all the space around the Zentangles if you would like. It's just whatever you prefer. Okay, so make sure you clean off your brush, and then we're going to close our watercolors. The next step is we are going to grab our piece of cardstock. You're going to let it dry for a few seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put this on top of here to make the cover page of our Zentangle notebook. Okay, and then once you get that done, you can write Zentangle notebook if you would like on your cover, but you do not have to. And as time goes on over the next few days or weeks, you can continue putting blank pieces of paper on the back side of your Zentangle, so you can add to your notebook if you would like. And if you would like to know why Zentangle, it is because people practicing Zentangle have found that it has increased self-confidence, relieves stress and anxiety, it improves eye-hand coordination, and it nurtures and develops creativity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks. Have a great day.